play pi baro ngi pediang sngo bhai pi shaka thup khubor ma taka jan mit shwaban phash ki khubor ngi pet shwai ki mat bakong san sha thung ikong ida shisha nongrang kom ka director general of police batham mai ka Meghalaya la jandep ka survey nagabenta ban penhe ya ka surok na omyam sha malidor sha ka surok 4 lane ong uba preston tinsongเป็นเป้าจิงสงอเขียกับมินตรีกัตนัดกับกอดกับเขียฮัลโหลกับจิงนางเกียวจองกิบายอยากับจิงปังบัมปองฮาเมฆาลยากินตูมินตรีสรการบัดนงยลามกับเซง BJP อุบา AL แฮกยากับสรการบันเป็นเนยากับสุกกับสันki khubor ki babania ikong ida shisha nongrang ilasha thung kum ka director general of police DGP kumba la pentip haka notification bala palat da secretary shaka sarkar Meghalaya jong katanat home police nen kasngi ikong nongrang ide ikin thei baning kong ban bat ya ka kerdan ka bah khli do jong katanat pulit ha Meghalaya ide ibala pas ya ka IPS haka snem shi hajar khandai spa khandai puar bat in bat ya ka ni ka kerdan DGP nagabenta ar snem henen kasngi usimbot mintri rangba ba preston tinsong habakren shikilat pathai khubor ulayathu baka sarkar kala de pha ya ka jing ai jingmut shakatanat election commission bat kidang ap ya ka jubab jongka hakabede baka jing tokit halor ka jing pendon kam bakla bat jing le thok ya u number plate da director general of police ka jilla Meghalaya uba tinsong ulayathu baki pulit kilas dang ya ka jing tokit
were there, but two of them, one is the present DGP of Assam, the other one is again he was there holding the very important post in Assam. They already shown their disinterest. They don't want to come to Meghalaya, okay, for that post of DGP. And the left is with three. Three is, number one is Nongra, number two is Mr. I forgot the name. So these three were ultimately in the list. 3-4 days back, we already sent the proposal to the election commission and we are awaiting the approval of the election commission. If we receive today or tomorrow, appointment will be made. So now the case has been registered and the investigation has just started. So please give space, let the investigation be on and thereafter let the law take its own.
Usimbot Menteri Rangba bapet yakatanat PWD Road uba Preston Tinsong ula pentip baka jingle survey ban penbha yaka surok ban shna yaka 4 lane na yam shadu malidor kala jandeb hadien beladep ban shong yaka jingyalang men hakasngi tho dieng jong katayo ban yakren bat but dien shapang kate ka kam uba Tinsong ula pentip baka te ka surok kadai ka bajrong komba shi span riu pho hadu shi span nyo pho kilometer AA haka national highway ka bahen riu kan sayo yaka jingpen kaladur ka jing thmu jong kate ka project ka thmu ban shnai ka surok 4 lane na jingkieng flyover ha yam Ribhoy district shado shaki Kaput Assam bat nang ta shado shamalidor ha East Giant Hills district utin song ulaong baka sarkar kalabatha ye ki deputy commissioner jong ki southly ki district ha ka baka te ka surok kan yaj lengba baki deban thaw ye ka committee ha ka ba onya dan lang ru bonteli kitanat sarkar katkum uba tin song ka jinglut jingsep bante ye ka te ka project kan long kumba arpau hajar hadu arpu ar hajar klur tingka.
So now, East Khasi, we already have a committee. Ribhoy district, we already have a committee. Now I instructed West Giant Hills and East Giant Hills. They are going to constitute this similar committee for this.
Imentri katanat ka kwat ka khia ka sarkar jillai kong amprin lingdo mata ka sngi ila pinpaw ya ka jing sngo khia halor ka jing kenre ka jing pang bampong ha Meghalaya haba ya kren ha kalimpong jong ka medical health camp and awareness talk bala penlong da ka Arhi Hospital ha Saint Jerome High Secondary School ha Nong Minsong ikong amprin lingdo ilaong baka sarkar kalala ban penduna ka jing klat jong ki keme ki bakha khun ha ka jilla ka bajukiu ha ha ki por bala let kala ka ru baka sarkar kanya te lok bat kishnat ai Shakri Shimet hakaliang ka kwat ka khia ban ai jing sumar ya ki briu bon gut ki briu ki le shimenta bat ki la yo ru ya ki dawai da shin na ka benta ki jing shitam ba pher
ya ibahek ba impact bangila ban empanel ya kani ke institute nang ba kinong song jong kani kathan ke jongi kinyo ya kum kini ki machine bat kum kini ki jaka ai sumar ki ba mangi baro nin hap lek shajangai bha bat karem bha kata kabai dawai nagamta kabai sumar mujungi.
Menteri ke Sorkar Jilla ubalong ru unong yalam kaseng BJP uba AL Hek ula kentu ya ke Sorkar bakadai bandon kasuk kesan ha ke Jilla. Kene ke jingkren kalami hadian ke jingmi bun ki jing jia sha thang ki jing don jing ha ke nong ba. Iba Hek ilaong badon kam ban pentikna bandon kasuk kesan ha ke Jilla knang bakanom kta ya ke yok ke kot bat ila benrap bak Meghalaya ka Shania ha ka kam jungok kai bat lada don ke jing thut ha ka shong suk shong shngan kan kta ya ki bre ki bakwa ban wan jungok kai ya ka Meghalaya. Habakin tho syapang ke ejahar kepadang shen persya ya DJP ke Meghalaya uba hek ulaong balada dan manu-manu ki balik aka ke basneu dan kamban pinshitom kat kum kaan.
Anybody doing anything against the public, against the government has to be moved. Our law and order situation we have to fully control. You know, if we want to grow, if we want the economy to grow, if we want the employment to grow, the law and order has to be upheld to at least that, you know, we have to depend on the tourists. Now we see a lot of tourists coming to Meghalaya state. If anything incident happen, then the bad name will go. The wrong, you know, thoughts of minds of people will go. So that will be, you know, hamper the economy and the flourishness of the state of Meghalaya.
Ka St. Joseph's Academy of Nursing kalapin kut no ya katayo lekmen jong ki nurse kum shi benta jong ka jing rakhe International Nurses Day mentagasngi ha umtrau Ribhoy District. Kapang jong ka program kalong Our Nurses, Our Future, the Economic Power of Care. Ya katayo jong ki nurse la rakhe da ka penlong ru iki program bat ki jing elek kai baper. Ikong Ivory Kardut, Assistant Director Nursing, Directorate of Health Service, ilaya don lang ha kane ki jing rakhe kum ikong san, bat ikong Kerry Lingdo, Nursing Superintendent San Care Shillong, ilalong isimbut kong san. Ha ka jing don ringkat jong ikong Iban Rilin Rani, Principal ka St. Joseph's Academy of Nursing, bat ikong Jolene, Vice Principal ka St. Joseph School of Nursing. Haba ajing kren ha kanika program ikong Ivory Kardut, Assistant Director Nursing DHS ilaong. Baki nurse kide ki mensem jong ka jaka ajing sumar, ila benrap ru ha kini kisngi bamentang idon kam bahai ki nurse, ha ki jaka ajing sumar om tang ha ki hospital Henry kumju ru ha ki jaka ajing sumar ha po shnong. Kaseng Hinyo Trap Youth Council HYC hinin kesngi kala yokem arpu arngot ki nong di drok. Bakin thup sangot ki kentay bat khat prangot ki shenrang na muda bat ki jaka bamarjan. Ki dekhot kaseng ha bakila poi ha kanega jaka kila kem balalap shibun ki tirnia inject ki kinja bat ki we na ki met jongki. Ki dekhot ke HYC kila thang ki ki drok bat ki tirnia inject ki balayo kurup na kini ki nong di drok. Kibor bahalor kila pentip bakaway kakali kala kemding haka lat ban letsha kakat lingsun ha umroy kabla jia hakapor kumba khat architeng sngi hakani kane kakali kadai ka bakit ikinong let nongwan na kasnong maublang sha retreat center ha umroy nongra kala kemding kat bakadang tmu ban let pai no la pentip ru ba kat ba unong nya jong kane kakali ula persang ban start ya ke engine jong kakali hajan ka surok ba national highway ka basau pusau kane kakali kala kemding kinsan wat hapreng ka jingale jong katanat penlip ding bantem ya kadika ding Henry kanika kali kala julo lut om shimdon kano ka jing yap brio la ne ka jingjia ka basneu na ka jingjia la penlong ya ka workshop com training program ba shisngi jong ka National Legal Services Authority hakabau Chief Justice ka Yeng Bishar High Court jong ka Meghalaya u Justice A Vaidyanathan ula benyau baki skim penroy kimpoi syakibadai hok banyo u Chief Justice u badai ru Patron in Chief jong ka Meghalaya State Legal Services Authority ula ong baka jingduk tasam kadai namar baki brio kamtam kinong kendong kim yo iki skim penroy ba pher ula benrap baknang ban penlong ya ka jilla ka babiang babit kibrio kidai ban yo ya ka jing Bishar bahok bat ka biarengkat wat lada kidon hapadeng ka jing lani hapadeng ka jing duk jing kerdu.
access to justice, irrespective of constraints as well as differences in socio-economic backgrounds, for which legal aid services is one of the essential functions. This is in consonance with the mandate of our Constitution, ensuring equality among all sects of people before the law and equal protection of law.
Ulat ke Jilla Meghalaya upagu Chauhan hinin ke sngi ula pinkop buram ya ki arpo ngut ki NCC cadets jong ke Shillong Group NCC ki belami khmat ya ke Jilla Meghalaya ha ka Republic Day Camp ha ubnai ke lalangkot 8,000 arpusaw ha New Delhi ya kiti ki cadets la ay ki certificate bat ka pisa da ulat ke Jilla kum ka dak ban penpau ka jing sngo buram ya ke jing shim benta jong ki kiti ki cadets la jiet hadien beladep ban penlong ya ki kam hashwa ka jing rakhe ya ke sngi Republic kiti ki cadets ki la shim mentah ki babuan ki liang ha Delhi kum ha ka Guard of Honor National Integration Awareness Program ki la shim mentah ru ha ki program pen iriti ha ka flag area competition but ha ka Prime Minister's rally. Ka 17th Inter-School Badminton Tournament 8,000 arpusaw kelakut no hanin ke sngi hadien saw sngi bala penlong ye ke jingale kai keblai shim benta na ki khat pratali ki school ki don baro shi span riu pu artali ki jingale kai ki bala penyale kai ha ka single but double na ke benta ki ba hapo khat lai khat san but khat nyau snem ke bala penpau perthei ya ka sap ka phong jong baro ki nong yele kai shan rang but ken thei haka sngi pinkut jong kane ka limpung lai don ringkat da ka District Mission Coordinator SSA West Giant Hills District ikong mumubai lakyang ibalong ikong san ringkat u President ka WJDBA uba di perbot Working President ka WJDSA uba EMH Pasa udukot na ka Badminton Association. Mentapat nganyapet ya ka jinglong jingman ka sunmeneng ha Shillong. Ka jingshit kalong arpuway point lai degree Celsius bat ka jing kriat kalong khat lai degree Celsius. Ka jing sngem ka haw kalong prapu ana ka shispa min step bat nyu pusan na ka shispa janmiet. Kala bandon ka jing hap slap mamalumala bat ka jing tiet uperthat hakikat to ka neki jaka. Shwaban poisha ka bakut jong ka thup khubor nganyapet biang sa shisien ya kimat bakong san. Shathung ikong Ida Shishan Nongrang kum ka Director General of Police Bathamai ka Meghalaya. Lajan dep ka survey na kabentaban penhe ya ka surok na umyam sya malidor sya ka surok 4 lane ong uba Preston Tinsong. Penpau jing sngaw kia ka menteri katanat ka kot ka kia halor ka jing nang kieu jong ki bayo ya ka jing pam bampong ha Meghalaya. Kintu Menteri Sarkar padunong yalam kaseng BJP uba AL Hek ika Sarkar ban penne ya ka sukasan. Bat penkop buram ulat ke Jilla Meghalaya upagu Chauhan ya ki arpo ngut ki dkhot ke NCC na Shillong. Te parlok katung ila poisha ka bakut jong ka thup khobor jingi menta ka janmiet hadu bang de shyambyang bat phi la shai ka sngi khlei phi baro.